We're going through each diagram needed to answer any question on the market spectrum. So we'll just start off then with perfect competition and then the short run in perfect competition. So the first thing to remember here is that it's because goods are homogeneous, the demand curve is horizontal. And on that demand curve you would write AR equals MR equals D. You might write that out just at the end out here. You will then indicate the presence of supernormal profit. So profit maximizing takes place here where MC cuts MR. So just drop that down onto the x-axis, call that QE, and then the price then is PE, equilibrium price. And supernormal profit then is indicated there from that position where the vertical line crosses the AC curve. You might highlight that and just indicate supernormal profit. And that's everything needed for short run in perfect competition. Long run in perfect competition is again a horizontal demand curve, and again writing AR equals MR equals D. Again, just out at the end there might be the best place for it. There's no supernormal profit this time. Production takes place where MC cuts MR. You would just drop that down and indicate QE, then PE. And that's everything you need for perfect competition. Short run monopolistic competition used to be called imperfect competition. You would have your AR equals D curve, the demand curve, and then marginal revenue, and they're downward sloping then because of product differentiation. Profit maximizing takes place here. Again, the rule is the same where MC cuts MR. Just take a line up then to the demand curve and down onto the x-axis. That's QE. Take that across and that's PE. And of course you're always using a ruler for these. Don't draw them freehand as I'm doing. And then take a line across here where that vertical line crosses the AC curve, and then indicate then again supernormal profit. Probably a good idea in the text box to explain each of these abbreviations, but it's fine on the diagram. MC, AC, they're all fine on the diagram. Now the advantage of this diagram is well worth learning this one, because this is short run in monopolistic competition. It's also short run in monopoly and long run in monopoly. So it's three different concepts in a single diagram. The next one will be long run in monopolistic competition, and this time your demand curve touches the AC curve, and then the MR is down here someplace. Profit maximizing then where MC cuts MR, so just take it up and across. That'll be PE, and that will be QE. There is no supernormal profit, so that's everything covered. And then the final one is either short or long run in oligopoly. So in oligopoly, short or long run is the same. You might start with your marginal revenue curve first. Just drop it down. There's actually two of them. It's okay to label it just as one. And then profit maximizing takes place where MC cuts MR, usual rule. So just drop that down, QE. And then your demand curve will be going up above, and just make sure that the kink is directly above that. And then supernormal profit taking place where that vertical line crosses the AC curve, and there's PE, and that's supernormal profit. And that's either short or long run oligopoly. So maybe an idea just to start with the MR curves first. Get the kink right, make sure that the MR curve, usually the vertical portion of it, is crossing the MC curve, and then just anywhere above that then insert the kink for the 2 demand curves, which is just labelled once, but it's actually 2 demand curves, an elastic one here and a less elastic or more inelastic one then below.